Hello everybody, welcome to ByFERIAL channel. Thank you for joining us. My name is Ferial and I am your image consultant. I'm so excited today to be sharing with you what all this deal is all about. We're gonna travel together on a journey of self-discovery. And what we're gonna do is help you understand who you are, help you understand your body, know your colors, and define your personality. There's a lot of pieces to the puzzle for you to look great. What to wear and what not to wear. You know your body shape. Do you know what color suits you? Do you know what your body scale is? ByFERIAL would like to inspire you and empower you to face life challenges head on by guiding you step by step to look good and feel great. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned. Like our channel and follow us. Thank you.